with BeCozi.com. BeCozi.com and BeCozi.net is the American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. So today I will be using our jumbo chenille yarn in white and blush gray cream colors, and I will be making this cute cow. So this is a baby cow, and I also will use a little bit of pink color, it's kind of leftover, and a yellow for the bow. So that is how it looks. So here is the other one, a cute baby cow with a little tail on the back. And you will need 1.5 skein of blush gray cream and 1 skein of white, a little bit of pink, and just 1 piece of yellow. And you can order DIY knitting kit. There is a link underneath, and then it will come with everything you need, and you can make this super cute baby cow. So if this yarn is not available anywhere in the world, I created as a custom yarn for BeCozi.com and BeCozi.net, and so you can buy this yarn. There is a link underneath the video, BeCozi Jumbo Chenille, and it's available in many beautiful colors, but for this one again you need white and blush gray cream. So if you have the yarn ready, let's get started. Okay guys, let's get